What up, boys and girls? Today I just want to say a big thank you for all of you that have subscribed to my channel. 51 subscribers now. I know it's not a lot, but it's you got to start somewhere, haven't you? I just want to do a video on how to make sure you delete all your cache properly in your FiveM, because a lot of people are getting all these different sorry about that, getting all these different error codes, and mainly it's down to just not clearing your cache properly. So what you want to do is there's tons of videos out there how to find your FiveM application data. I've got mine just on my desktop just for simplicity. If you just go into your FiveM folder, you should come across these three files. Go into your FiveM application data, cache. You'll have all these different file names here. All you want to do is just select it and hit delete. That will clear all your cache then. Okay, so once you come out of that, just go back into your FiveM and it'll download all the right downloadable files and any updates that you're going to need. It will come up asking you permission to like download certain files again, because obviously you just deleted all your cache. This does tend to fix 9 out of 10 problems, but if there is any other different error codes that you guys get, if you put them down in the comments below, I can try and help you out. So here you go, FiveM needs to update the game cache, blah 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 blah. Just click yes. Depending on how fast your internet speed is, it could take a couple of minutes to several minutes. As you can see, I've got quite a good download speed. In the UK, our main suppliers are Virgin and Sky. I'm with Virgin. I get 200 megabyte package, so I usually get about 220 download speed with a 21 meg upload speed, so it's good enough for what I need it for anyway. So halfway through now, but once this is updated, your game should be refreshed and good to go. The only problem is if you've got any saved servers or favourites, I think they will delete from your FiveM screen. Let's just go ahead and double check it now though. Extracting, we're getting closer. Oh, now it seems to slow down a bit. I won't let you guys watch this, so I'll skip this bit, okay? Okay guys, we're nearly done now. Hopefully it'll load without any problems. And if you like my wallpaper as well, you can find yours at wallpaperswide.com. All different types of wallpapers, all different reses. It'll even find what resolution you're using and just find wallpapers for you. I'll leave the link in the description if you guys want to download any wallpapers from here. Oh, I've not been on this for a while. Quite snazzy, isn't it? It's my favourites. Any of you boys and girls want to join our server? Mellow RP. It's one of the best servers you'll come across. Yeah. And that's that for now, boys and girls. Any problems, just leave a message down below and I will try and help you. So peace out for now, my dudes. Peace.